Available output types. Because a variety of technologies and methods exist in PCB manufacture, the software has the ability to produce numerous outputs types for different purposes. Assembly outputs such as assembly drawings, wherein components positions and orientations for each side of the board. Pick and place files used by robotic component placement machinery to place components onto the board. Then we also have test point report as an AC2 file available in 3 formats that details the location of each pad or via that has been nominated as a test point. Then we also have documentation outputs wherein PCB prints configure any number or printout or pages. With any arrangements of layers and display of primitives, use this to create printed outputs such as assembly drawings. Then we also have PCB 3D prints, views of the board from a 3-dimensional view perspective. Then we also have PCB 3D video, output of a simple video of the board based on a sequence of 3-dimensional keyframes defined in the PCB editor's PCB 3D movie editor panel. We have PDF 3D, wherein it generates a 3D PDF view of the board with a full support to zoom, pan, and rotate in Adobe Acrobat. The PDF includes a model tree, giving control over the display of nets components and the silk screen. Then lastly, we have schematic prints, wherein schematic drawings used in the design. Fabrication outputs. An example would be composite drill drawings, wherein drill position and sizes using symbols for the board in one drawing. Drill drawing or guides, wherein drill positions and sizes using symbols for the board in separate drawings. We have final artwork prints, combines various fabrication outputs together as a single printable output. We also have Gerber files. It creates manufacturer information in Gerber format. We have Gerber x2 files, a new standard that encapsulates a high level of design information with a backward compatibility to the original Gerber format. We have the IPC 2581 file, a new standard that encapsulates a high level of design information within a single file. We also have the NC drill files. It creates manufacturer information for use by numerically controlled drilling machines. Then we also have the ODB++. It creates manufacturer information in ODB++ database format. We also have power plane prints, wherein it creates internal and split plane drawings. Then we also have solder or paste mask drawings, wherein it creates solder mask and paste mask drawings. Then lastly, we have test point reports. It creates test point output for the design in a variety of formats. Now, netlist outputs describe the logically connectivity between components in the design and are useful for transferring the design to other electronics design applications. A large variety of netlist formats are supported. Then we have report outputs. We have bill of materials, wherein it creates a list of parts and quantities, the BOM, in various formats required to manufacture the board. We have component cross-reference report, wherein it creates a list of components based on the schematic drawing in the design. We also have report project hierarchy, wherein it creates a list of source documents used in the project. Then lastly, we have report single pins nets. It creates a report listing any nets that only have one connection.